You have launched latest generation of servers into the market. So what are the advantages of those server ranges?
Yeah, definitely. Aside from some of the generic updates that we have done with our 13G servers as part of Intel's talk out of the TikTok that we usually have every year, what you see is we're launching some servers that a lot of the reviews by media are talking about how there are still innovations that are available in the server space. A great example is our R730XD, right? What we did with our upgrade from the old generation, R720XD, to the R730XD is truly a paradigm shift of what people can now do in 2Us. We have now launched the ability with our 1.8-inch disks, of which you can fit 18 of, and then you can have SSD disks, and then you can also have non-SSD disks. This is now a server in 2Us that you could do data management and tiering in. That is a very strong capability for customers of small scales or large scales, and allow for organic growth for strategies like this is a great server for strategies that are software-defined storage, right? Which is a hugely increasing trend. VDI solutions. Imagine in 2Us now you can pack 100 terabytes of storage. This thing, when I present it to customers, they often look at it and they say, is this a storage device or is it a server? Do not get confused, it's a server. A server that can fit 100 terabytes of storage. Inside we pack 24 DIMMs, which can do about 1.5 terabytes of memory. You have 2 processors, huge amount of core processing, right? So this is a very strong jump of what we have basically rolled out in our 13G servers with the 730XD. That's just one example. We have a great set of rollouts in our rack servers already done, announced September 9th. We're going to be rolling out some pretty significant products in December. And we're looking forward to a very significant announcement, hopefully in December, of a new product line that is going to bring true flexibility into the compute space, into the server space.
Any new products you are showcasing in this expo?
Yes. Let me talk about a couple of products, okay? Number one, of course, the R730XD that I was just talking about. We are showcasing that downstairs. We're already making that available. The other product that I would like to talk about is the SC4020. Our SC8000 compellent box has created a storm in the market, right? It changes the game in how people do SAN storage solutions. We actually bring intelligence into the SAN controller with our auto tiering and our data management capabilities with our acquisition of Compellent. Now what we've done is stick to the mantra of what Dell does really well. We take great innovation, and once it is rolled out into the market and we see clearly this is something that the market is asking for, as a listening company we look at how we can actually bring this capability, the power to do more, and make it available to many more players in the market. So now we've just recently launched the SC4020. This product is available downstairs for people to see at GITEX in Dubai 2014. This product is great. What the Compellent controller could do in 2Us, and then you need disk enclosures on top of that. We basically pack all of that into a 2U space. So the controller alone is 2Us, and then you have your disk enclosures on top. Now we basically pack all of that in 2Us. So disks and controller all in 2Us. And that's the SC4020. It makes available for customers a much more smaller entry point compared to the SC8000. And we find that for the Middle East market, this is a great device, often for larger enterprises that are looking at opening the doors in this particular place, and also for small to medium-sized enterprises that now can play with enterprise storage. The Compellent products, the SC series products that we have brought intelligent auto tiering to the market. That's what the analysts, that's what the reviews all laud Dell's capability of doing. Now with the SC4020, we take the same capabilities and bring it available in a smaller product. So have we cut down on the software capabilities? No. It's just a physical device that we've constrained significantly more and made it available to a different market as well. So the SC4020 is a great product for the Middle East that we've just recently launched. Another product that we could talk about is the Z9500 network switch that we actually recently announced. It's an Ethernet fabric switch, huge capacity switch that we've actually launched. When you look at that device, you see the simple little shift that Dell has done in regards to just changing the slots and vertically stacking them up. And it really reminds us of how Dell's innovations often are simple little pragmatic changes, and they create paradigm shifts in the designs of product. It's a great product that showcases that, and of course makes available huge capacities now in the networking space. So these are just some of the products that we have made available at GITEX today. Another set of completely changing gears of what we've done new at GITEX today is the fact that over the last couple of years, with the amount of software acquisitions that we've made. So now today we're doing a lot to basically proliferate that message. A lot of people don't know that Dell is today one of the top 15 software companies in the world. So from that perspective, we're doing a lot in GITEX this year to showcase to customers how many more capabilities we have for software as well.
This time also we are seeing same vortex placed on a round table for the people to see. Is it the same product, or you have added capability to it?
That's a great question. The Vertex that we launched in 2013, that for example by InfoWorld was called the server of the year for very good reason. Nobody else can offer a product like this. It's literally a data center in a box. Now that was a year ago. It's the first time anybody's actually offered something like this with the capabilities that the Vertex actually offers. We have made changes. We're not stopping at just being the first in innovation. We have upgraded the Vertex with many more features. A lot of people were complaining about the RAID controllers. It was an individual RAID controller. Now we actually have dual. So we have redundancy on the RAID controller, which truly makes this a box that is a data center, standalone data center in a box. We've also increased the networking capabilities on this particular device. And of course, when we actually have upgrades with what the blades can actually do, those will be additional upgrades. So processing, memory capabilities, and so forth.
Then thank you very much.
You're
I'll
welcome.
catch you later on.
You're welcome.